Hello everybody. This is an announcement of the 2023 Halloween group build. Time has gotten kind of quick going that I didn't even realize that it is coming up. And so the start date to this group build will actually be September 1st and it will end October 31st. And it will be anything that it could be considered Halloween. So there's plenty of kits out there that are Halloween. You know, you got all your monster kits. You have like your Christina kit. There's I guess you can even do like the Supernatural kit. And there's a lot of figure kits that would work for Halloween. There is resin kits that you could do. There's also 3D printed kits that would work. So anything spooky, scary, ghosts, goblins, horror figures, scary movie figures. Even I would even consider Warhammer being a good part for this group build, as long as it's kind of like the scary ones. There is some monster kits. I think I got the monster's house. I got the outside and the inside. I gotta find those. I think them are ones I'm gonna do. There's even the monster coach and Dragula. Last year I did the Death Dealer. And there's a lot of kits like that, and I also did the Halloween kit. Both were very fun, but there's also a lot of kits like that. And I wanted to do it for 2 months to give people the creative time that they can actually have a lot of fun with, and it be ending around a a Halloween time. So if you're interested in joining, please put in the comments below if you're in. That way I myself can watch your videos, and all the other people that are interested in the Halloween theme builds can watch it as well. Last year we had pretty good outcoming of people. A few people actually made regular kits and the Halloween kits, which was really cool. So I want everybody to feel that if they can't find a Halloween kit, they're more than welcome to do that, because that is the fun thing about Halloween, is being creative and having your imagination go wild. So I kind of don't know what I'm going to do yet, but I think it's going to be one of the monster buildings, either inside or out. The outside one is, I think, HO scale, so actually if you build it, it would actually go well with a train set. But I think I have that in storage, so I have to look and find that. And I think I have a bunch of other Halloween kits with that one. Right now the only one I could find is the Monsters coach and the Dragula. And I want to do that eventually one year. If I can't find them other ones, I'll do it this year. But so I think that's where I'll end up being at. So if everybody wants to do an intro video, September 1st will be when you would want to start, and you would want to be done around October 31st. So it would be nice to have a couple update videos as you go. I know a lot of people have been really busy with the other parts of life besides model building, but hopefully this will be a good time to bring it back in, because we're at school, weather's going to start getting nasty. So hopefully I get to see a lot of people join the group build. So I look forward to hearing from you, and until next time, I'll talk to you then. Bye.